Oh yes, a quick one. We're going to do extended dreadlocks, and now these are the hair extensions that we are going to be using while doing the extended dreadlocks. And this is how it looks, the Afro Kinky from Darling Company. This is how it looks. Yes, so I don't know if you have some other kinkies that you can use, but for these extended dreadlocks we are going to use these the new Afro Bali kinky as the way it is. So let's get through and see how you can how to start, and then how you can split it before locking. We need to first make it soft before we start our locking. So let's do that before we start our locking.
Said we give it out to like you with the best to none. And now I can't relate to Jack Cool again, be the Transitenga. To leave a big ball, a shot call, us to call a quaba as a woody that. So.
Alright, yes, my name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and welcome to our YouTube channel. Yes, this is Maurice, the Crochet Master. This time around, we are going to look at how to do the extended dreadlocks. Yes, that I've been posting videos showing you how to do these extended dreadlocks, and here I'm back again to show you how you can do the extended dreadlocks in a long version. So to those ones who have been missing all the videos teaching you how to do this, I would like you to listen to me very careful, because I don't think I'm going to repeat this again. Number one, there's certain hair. Now you see I was trying to lock and it fell, so it means the hook that I'm using I will have to change. So this one always applies to the hair texture. Let's say that the hair is very thick. If the hair is thick, the hook you're supposed to use is somehow bigger. Let's say it can be number 0 to, yes, number 0 to 2 or even 1. But on the fine hair, you can start from, it starts from 4, 8 and above when the hair is fine. So now since the other was it was number 2, I'm trying now to use number 4, and it is also doing nice for me. So we have the two different types of locking, and that is the cross locking and the V locking. The cross locking, this is when this applies to the this applies also to fine hair. When I say fine hair, that is the soft hair. Yes, it's when you always lock from a side like this and then even up just like that. That is the the cross locking. Then there is the V locking. That one always applies to the hair that is very thick, and I'll also be showing you how to do that. And if you don't know, you can also try to look at the videos that I put the link in the description. You can also check it out and see how are those videos, because they can also help you in doing all that. So after we are done with this is how we're going to use our cross locking, and the way I've explained it, you do it on the soft hair. That is the cross locking. Then the V locking is done on the thick hair. So you should add that in your mind, yes, before you lock your hair. So now on this one still, we are going to be doing something that is very long. And now if it is something that is very long, we need to calculate the hair that we are having to match with the extension that we are going to add in. This mistake is always done with people always do these mistakes when you find that someone is doing, let's say, a long dreads, and then they overpack the hair. You find you do small locks and then you add a big extension. That's why for me, I always do it. Let's say if the dreads are already made and you just come to install on these locks, you just have to make sure that the locks, the extensions that are equivalent to these locks before you're adding them on. So why do people hair breaks? Just because they add on a big extension on the part when you have parted a small lock. So when your lock is small, like here where I'm locking, it means even the extension that I'm going to add on is also supposed to be small. But if I do it very big, it means even the extension is supposed to be big. So those ones always do the dreadlock that are already made, and if you see them that are bigger, it means you need to apply, you need to install them on the hair that is you lock them when you have parted a bigger hair. When you, yes, not a small hair like this, because you might find that this person, like her hair, yes, is a lot, but is fine. Yes, this 4C that is very, very fine. So when you try to put a bigger braid or bigger locks, since she wants something that is very long, so if it is big and long, it means she cannot bear the hairline. Like, she's not going to have the hairline for the rest of her life. So we just have to maintain that the size of the dread that I'm locking here is going to match the size of extension that I'm going to add on. Yes, so after all that is done, then we're going to be adding on our extension. Yes, so let's do that. Now here, as I'm continuing, you can see we are done with the front part. Remember, we're using the cross locking, and it's the same thing that I'm trying to do. Yes, I always have a question. The questions come to me that the people who are still have that trauma of doing dreadlocks, and I always tell them it is just because whenever they were locking from down like this one, they would lock it so tight. So you find like by the time they add in the extension, it pains as they are locking. So let's see this how it is going to be. First and foremost, remember this is our kinky that we said. So I'm just going to make sure that the portion that I'm using is going to match my hair. Sorry, like as you're going to see. So you pass it from side to side, and here is. So we continue with this. I always upload videos showing you about this. So it is her hair that I'm going to use to lock it. It is her hair that I'm using to lock, not just mixing the hair with extension to lock the hair with extension, then I start locking. No, I first use her hair before, and then I continue with my lockings, and this is how it is, and the locking. And I think the best way, how you've been asking, like how I make these braids to be this long, I just have, like, when I reach here, I come and I make sure that the height she wants, it is okay. If it's not there, then I come here. I first try to lock first, because I'm going to add on the extension. I first lock this first. You see, I still have the space where my braid is going to pass, just like that. Now after that, I can still do it again because the space is there, just like that. And now it is done. So when it is done like this, I can be able to add on another extension to that. It is this long. So that's how you can always make your dread to look this long as we continue. Yeah, so if it's your first time to be on this channel, I would like you to click on the red button, ring the bell, and the more tutorials. Remember one thing, that we have a School of Beauty here by Clippers School of Beauty, so you can always come and join us, and I'm always happy to be one of the instructors. Yes, and I'll be there to teach you how to do all these hairstyle. My name is Maurice, the crochet master, and please, there is the link in the description below that you can always click. It is also our other channel that is going to teach you to do a hairstyle before, like, you have to know about that hairstyle you're going to do. So I'm uploading different types of hairstyle, showing you how to maintain them, and the people are supposed to plait them, and those ones who are not supposed to plait them. So yes, you can also click on that link. It is going to take you straight there, and you subscribe to that channel, you'll always see the updates. So for now, I'm going to be signing out. My name is Maurice, the crochet master, and this is our extended dreadlocks.
He got the touch of a cricket master, yeah. Oh, no, no, no. Got those around my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way you're looking, yeah. Oyingite wongoyaka, yeah. Maurice the crochet master didn't make on you, yeah, yeah. The nigga did you so right. Your makeup so nice, body fine like wine. You look so good, so good. Maurice the crochet master, yabako kolangako. Ako toto waza, beauty na chichayo. Engeri jonjumye, okwana nembaka. You look so good, nobody do it like Maurice. Yeah, nobody do it like Maurice, yeah. The crochet master. Nobody do it like Maurice, yeah. Oh, no, 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 no. Nobody do it like Maurice. The crochet master, crochet master. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah, no, no. Maurice got the touch of a crochet master. No, no, no. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah, yeah. A touch of a crochet master. Maurice, yeah, yeah. He got the touch of a crochet master. Crochet master, Maurice, your crochet master, Maurice, your crochet master, crochet master, no, 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 touch of a crochet master. It's so good, yeah, yeah. Yeah, one time, you know. Youngster. Oh na 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 na, na 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 na, yeah, one time, yeah. Hey baby Chana, you're pretty Chana. Olabika bulungi uma baby Chana. Okoledwa kaviri gwe koyoleza. Manikiwa pedikiwa nga tabu. Basiba obuviri mwato buliyo. Basiba emisono mwato giriko. Hair by clippers, we go. If you wanna trend in style and fashion, Baloo said it. Hair by clippers, hair by clippers, hair by clippers. Balling it like expected. Hair by clippers, hair by clippers, hair by clippers. Balling it like expected, like expected. Oh na 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 na, I like expected. Yeah, they want crochet master, a big one. Yeah, yeah. Oh na 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 na, yeah. Hair by clippers. Oh na 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 na, hair by clippers. All in it like expected.